This is definitely a bad idea. It's 4:33 in the morning, and this is my first attempt on living like Casey for a day, or at least a week. This video is heavily inspired by this Casey Neistat with Navy SEAL video. अगर आपको नहीं पता कि Casey Neistat कौन है, then you should definitely go and check him out, because it's what are you doing if you don't know him and you're watching me? There's no point. मेरी routine फिलहाल बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है. I don't have a sleeping pattern, I don't have any discipline. Lekin I have decided that I'm going to put it into place and I'm going to make a routine out of it. So I don't remember what else he does during his day apart from waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning. The same routine that my parents always taught me, like since I was like 10. Today we are going to try our first day as living like Casey. I just woke up at 4:30. Again, I think मुझे एक list बनानी चाहिए and see what he does during his old day, because I have no idea. My brain is not functioning right now. I need to have some coffee or tea. So I have it written down now. The whole routine breaks down into 11 steps. Number 1, wake up between 4 and 5, which I have already done.
Up between 4 and 5. Always up between 4 and 5.
Have some tea and work till 7 a.m.
See, it's these early morning hours that are the absolute most productive for me.
7 to 8, relax and have some breakfast. 8 a.m, go for a run.
By 8 o'clock, I'm out the door on my run. My run always happens.
Typically run for more than an hour.
Me running this alone time is top priority.
Get back to house before 9:30, take a shower, eat if you want to, and go to work at 10.
Back from the run before 10, shower, shave, get out the door.
No YouTube, no social media, phone will be up in do not disturb mode, do not look at the bed.
Always be in the office by 10 and then it's work.
Since I don't have an office, so I have to do the whole routine in my own room. Lunch at 1 and getting back to work till 5:30.
Leave the office before 6.
Go to home before 6 and enjoy family time, relax, go out with friends, have a movie or whatever, till 10 a.m.
I go to the gym from 10 to 11. 11 o'clock, I pass out.
At 11, crash in bed, and the last step, repeat. It's going to be awesome. I feel like I'm really hungry, so instead of tea, I'm just going to eat something. So this is what I found in my kitchen. It's chicken. I don't know if it's healthy or not, but it's sure going to be delicious. Last time when I went on a run was like around 3 years ago. I went with my friend Nasser. लेकिन उस वक्त जब मैं दौड़ रहा था, I almost killed myself. Not because of an accident or something, because it was too tiring for me. Let's hope that I can run for like 5 minutes today. Let's go.
Get on it. Done.
I don't know how people do it. I can't even run for a kilometer. I ran for like a minute from my house and I'm already exhausted. Oh, this is going to be hard. I saw a video on YouTube of the similar act trying to copy Casey Neistat, but that dude ran 5 kilometers on his first run.
I think I did about 5k. That has actually killed me, but...
Stop lying, dude. That's not possible. Yep. So I've decided instead of running, I'm just gonna walk. I need to go home. I'm already thirsty. मेरा दोस्त नासिर जब मैं उसके साथ run के लिए गया था, he ran like 4 rounds of a park or something, and I was down in 1. I don't know how he does that. Maybe a lot of practice, because he has been running for a while. He also gave up recently, so I better ask him to join me. Focus. I'm done. I'm done, guys. I went on the run and I ran for like a minute, I think, in the direction, and then and then I started to panic and my heart started to sink in and my chest was hurting. I just fell off and I decided I'm never going to do that again. Hopefully I never have to do it again. I just came back from the run. It was one of the hardest things I have done in a year. I think this was the first and the last run that I'm ever going to run in my entire life. I don't know how people do it. Oh God. I see people say that running is good for them and they feel really nice. I don't feel nice at all. It's 9:12 right now. I went on the run at around 8:45 and I just came back and I just had a glass of water. So I came back after like 15 minutes. Now I'm going to have a shower and get to work before 10. Hopefully I can do that. By work I mean that I'm going to edit the videos that I made. Oh, ये एक fantastic 4 event हो रहा है नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान ऑडिटोरियम में. Junaid Akram is one of my favorite online personalities in Pakistan. So I'm definitely going to go. I'm going to grab my passes. I don't know if they will be still available because the event is 13th of Feb. So I have to collect those tickets and I'm going to go there after my lunch break. But till then I have to edit these videos and see where it goes. So I bought the pass. I paid 1,000 rupees for it. It's a VIP pass, so I don't know what privileges I will get. Maybe some photographs at the end of the session. I don't know. We will have to wait to see. The day has been going good so far, and it's already 3 p.m. in the morning, and I still have a couple of hours left to do my work. I don't know what I'm going to do because I've already done so much, and I'm almost done with my edits and everything. So I think I'm going to edit this video and see what else there is to be done. By the way, I lied to you. I did use Instagram a lot and YouTube. I couldn't resist. It's my first day. I'm sorry. It's 3:30 in the morning and yesterday I failed miserably. I just crashed at around 7, I believe. 7 p.m. I just crashed and I couldn't carry on anymore. Today I'm going to try it again. Today I will add coffee to the equation. Maybe that will help because I didn't have any coffee yesterday. It's not that easy as people think. Waking up more than 18 hours a day and working. Let's try again.